Hey, let's see. Are we live? Yes. Looks like we are. Let me. Per. Well, I'm Peppin. I am a live coder, and this is my first stream. Just a little test. We'll be a little jolly, have some fun, maybe. But yeah, I'm just gonna make some music. Let's start. Let's get some chords. Let's make sure I'm getting my audio in properly. I'm just listening to my own stream. Yeah, sounds like everything is good to go. All right, let's start. All right, we got this chord progression here. What do I want to do with this? Let's change the structure to x times 8. Actually, just keep that as for right now. Let's start with some notes. I am going to take an arpeggio, so 0, 2, 4, 6. Let's group these together. And I am going to take our same chords and pull those notes from them in my quotations. Alright, what's going on? Chord. Where am I getting this error? Oh, voicing. Ah, there we go. So let's times this speed by 8, and we will change our sound. Let's change it to a super saw. Actually, let's do a square. That's nice. Let's set both of these to the same orbit. I like to use orbit 4 just to keep things going in the same organized spot. Now let's do a bass. I'm going to use note instead of N, and I'm going to choose our root notes. So let's do D, F sharp, A, C sharp, and we will group those together just in case we need to speed them up or slow them down. And I am going to, let's use a super saw for this as well. I gotta make them a lower register. Change the gain so we can hear it a bit better. It's pretty good. Or I'm gonna change the pattern of this. Let's do sometimes by 0.40 we will play it times 2. What's going on? What am I missing? Bruh. Oh, is it because this... There we go. Just make it a little stutter. You can also do 5-4 to make it even more stutter. I like 2 though. Alright, let's get a kick in here. I'll do a stack for our drums, so I can just put all of our percussive elements together. So I'll start with, I don't know, let's do bass drum. BD times 4. Let's do BD number 1. Let's duck it all to our kick. Duck, orbit, 4. Let's change the attack. Duck attack, 0.2. Oop. Duck attack, 0.2. 0.1. That's nice. Now let's add let's do a different pattern for a bass drum. Let's use dot beat to write in, I don't know, let's do some drum and bass. So we'll do 0, 10, sometimes 14. So that should sound, oh wait, we also have to choose our grid, which will be 16. Yeah, that sounds right. Let's see here. Let's do a snare drum sound. C3. Let's do that on beats. Let's say a 4 and 12. No, not 14, 12. There we go. Some breaks. Breaks. 8. Let's divide it by 2 and fit it to time. Oh, we also have to make a new instrument track. We'll name it breaks. Let's change our BPM. 160. Hi. Oh, 160 is a lot better. Let's cut this melody. Let's also put this on channel 4 so it ducks. Let's scrub it. There we go. Let's get some more percussive samples in here. I got a bunch of FM loops I want to mess with. I'm just gonna name this FM. Sound. FM loops. Let's just start with 0. Make sure it's fit the time. Let's see what that sounds like. Oh, that sounds like shit. I like this one. Let's turn it up. It's at a gate. Trans gate. It's also gate our chords. Yes. Okay, wait. Let's turn the melody down just a little bit. Too much. Alright, I wanna make crazy bass. Crazy tear. So let's name it tear. And I'm gonna keep the same notes above my bass. So for the Strudel Warm version, you just look up on your web browser Strudel Warm. It should show up. It is kind of like, I don't know how to explain Strudel Warm. It's like a beta version of Strudel, so it has a bunch of functions that aren't in like normal Strudel yet. Yeah. So you basically just download a new browser version, if that makes sense. I don't know if that makes sense. But if you look up Strudel Warm on Google, it should show up, hopefully. Yeah. Let's get this going again. Yeah, it should say warm. It should. I think. I don't know. I'm not gonna lie, I just opened my Strudel one day and it was like this. And maybe because I have Switch Angel's what's it called? Her pre-bake, and it kinda just, I don't know, updated itself. But yeah, I'm getting a little bit of a delay on my mic, and it's making things really weird. Yeah, I think it was a pre-bake. Yeah, because I just opened up Strudel one day and it was like this, and I was like, shit, I have the warm version now. Yeah, let's continue. So I got my bass here. I want to make a tear. So I'm gonna take my notes, keep the same notes, and I want to do a wave table. Sounds, let's do a wave table. No, let's do 4. Oh, it's W. Hi, Frank. That's my cat Frank in the background. He wants more food. You got food, buddy. No one does. Let's duck this as well. Alright, let's move on to something else. I have this project I'm working on. Where? Not that one. Is it this one? Yeah, this is pretty much the same thing, but more developed. I want to change the BPM of the 60 or 160 again. I really like 160. Going. And I want to do the same thing that I was doing last time and get a more growly bass. It's kind of a new tear. Same notes as our soft bass, but just a different sound. I like to work with the tails. Make her kick a little unpredictable. So sometimes by 140, let's oh, that like broke everything. What the fuck? Oh, because I'm using add. I should be using play. There we go. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing right now. Alright. So now we kind of have a random pick going. Oh, is it low? Yeah, let me bump myself then. Yeah, this is my my first, I guess, a test stream. Just trying to figure everything out. So yeah, please let me know if anything sounds weird. Thank you. Let's do our snare. And then we'll do that on beats. Let's do 4 and 12 again. actually make this a stack. Pop, pop. Oh, and then I gotta add 16. What are you upset about? What is it? My cat just woke up. He's an old man, so he gets a little frightened. Okay. So now I gotta turn this down. There we go. Let's make gain 1.2. And then I think it's the it's the envelope that I want to mess with. So let's do 0.6 to 0.4. Let's go to 0.2 and see if that works. It should be going through these different envelopes, but maybe the warm version that's causing it to be weird. The decay. Yeah, there's attack. There's wavetable attack. Yeah. There's attack, decay. We have rate. Maybe the rate will do some cool stuff. Let's see. Rate of the LFO. Wavetable rate. 23. Oh, that's nice. Alright, let's mess with some of my samples. Oh, I lost my mouse. Alright, there we go. Perks. See ya. let's change our progression. Let's go G, A, B. Let's go G to C sharp. It's a B. Let's do D. Let's see what that sounds like. Let's do F sharp. And then let's get rid of this structure. Just have it play straight. We'll change this to G major. We'll change some notes around. Let's change this to a 7, a 4, and a 6. Let's change our sound to super saw. Let's get rid of this add. I feel like it's playing a little too high. Ooh. Oh, that should not be a minor. That should be a major. That's why it sounds wacky. There we go. Ooh. Let's add some breaks. Sound breaks. 8. We'll fit it. Let's get rid of this top melody. It sounds way too high. There we go. And then let's change our pattern here. Let's do dot beat 0, 4, 8, 12. No, let's do 11. Let's do Jersey 11, 14, and then change that to 16. And then this chord, let's do a sign. Get it more chill. Oh, that's nice. Ooh, that's nice. Let's turn that up. I'm basically just like I'm just going through all of my FM samples and playing them rapidly. Let's take this, go back to the sawtooth. Oh shit. We broke the code. Hey Frank. Good morning. Oh, what is breaking? What is going on? Okay. This is fully broken. Oh, hello! Do you want to make break core? Yes, you do. Do you want to make break core? Oh, you are very cute. I hope you can see. Yes, there he is. He's the man of the hour. Alright, I've fully broken this patch. Let's do something new. I'm gonna set my BPM. Set CPM. Let's do 140. And I am going to do, I like to start with chords. Let's stay in, let's do E major. So we'll do an E major 7, G, A, B, C. Let's see what a C sharp minor 7 sounds like. I'll just group those together. Oh, I gotta do voicing. Then let's change our sound. Let's do A major 9. Back to that C sharp minor 7. Let's hear what this progression sounds like. I like that. Let's work with that. Alright, so I'm gonna name this chords. We'll start a new thing. Let's do a melody. Let's do a random melody, actually. Mel. Let's see what Strudel gives us. So we'll do note, I ran 16, let's segment it. 8, 5, 4. And then we'll do it in the scale. I'm pretty sure the chord progression's in E major. Let's do, what should we do for a sound? We'll just do a square. Let's do E major pentatonic. And then let's find a part that we like and just loop it. Let's do it for 2 bars. Nice. Next, let's get a kick. Kick. Sound. Let's do drum and bass again. More drum and bass. So we'll do beats 0, 10, 14, and a 16th note. What am I doing wrong here? Parsing. What? Should work. Hold on. Let's just copy. Let's copy our old drum stack. I don't know why that's not working. Oh, is my... Oh, I see. I see him. Thank you. Okay, so I'm gonna make this random. I'm a goose. Let's just do snare drum 3. 4, 12, and 16. Oh, and then I have to make this a stack. Let's add an IR. It happens to me so much. I make the dumbest mistakes live, and it makes me feel crazy. So let's add some room to this. .140 is too slow. Get this faster. Get it faster. Okay. I just realized we got no bass. Let's do notes, same as our chords, but we'll have to get rid of the voicings, or Strudel will freak out. Let's group them together so that we can slow them down. Dot sub. There we go. let's add some loops. I don't know what these are gonna sound like, but maybe one will fit. It's either really quiet or nothing's playing. Oh, there we go. Oh god. Oh no. We do not like that one. That one's alright. Let's put this into a sign. Oh, sign. Alright, well, I'd say for a test stream went pretty alright. There was a lot of bugs, a lot of Frank. But thank you so much for watching. I'm hoping to do one of these like once a week, and kind of just get better at making stuff on the fly. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. I will see y'all at some point, maybe, hopefully. Well, bye.